Welcome back, everybody. Travis from Arcan Trailer here. Today I wanted to take you guys on a little tour of the 2022 Forest River Viking 17FQ. This is going to be a front queen island walk-around style bed in a short floor plan, coming in at 21 feet and just a few inches and just over that 3,000 pound mark. So great for some of those mid-sized to larger SUVs, and of course well in the realm of half-ton towable. Up front, we are just going to have one single pound 20 pound propane bottle, pardon me. That's just going to help keep the tongue weight at a little bit more manageable number, especially again for that SUV towability. A nice mention with the Vikings, however, we go to a 50% diamond plate up front here, where a lot of brands are only going to have that run up just a few inches. It's just going to give you added protection from rocks, road debris, grime, anything along those lines as you're tooling down the road. Another mention here with the Viking product, the unit is built only to a 7-foot wide number instead of the 8-foot wide or 96-inch standard that you see in the industry. So again, talking towability, it's not going to stick out past the sides of your vehicle. You'll be able to see back with the mirrors that you have. You might not need to get those extensions. Going to be a little less wind resistance as you're towing as well. So just overall going to be a better tow with a 7-foot wide unit as opposed to an 8. Making our way down, we'll have our pass-through storage here. So good sized compartment jetting straight across to the far side for easy access. Viking does have our side prep solar port there. So if you have your suitcase or backpack panels, you can plug those in and go set them up in the sunshine wherever's going to be best. Moving down, we'll have a power awning covering you over the door right to the back wall. So just pressing a button to bring that in and out. And then it's going to have the nice LED strip running the whole length as well, just to light it up out front for you in the evening. We do have the Lippert solid step as you're coming into the Viking as well, so that's going to just provide, of course, a very stable entrance. You don't have the trailer rocking as you're walking in, just a little bit more stable and comfortable for everybody involved. Viking's always going to have the extra large grab handle just to help you get up and in the stairs as well. And the last feature I like to point out, just on the back corner here, we'll have the leash link, which is a little D-ring there, so you can clip your four-legged friends on there so they can stay secure in the area here. We'll make our way inside the Viking, and as we do so, the first thing we'll notice over my left shoulder is going to be our walk-around bed. This is an RV queen bed, so just a few inches shorter, but gives you that access on either side. We are going to have wardrobes on each side of the bed as well, a bit of a nightstand there, and then some power plugs to plug in your mobile devices. As we make our way down, we'll have our small dinette table here that can convert down to an extra accommodation for some little ones or friends or family if needed. And we do have some storage access in these booths here as well. So once you take those cushions off, large compartment underneath there, great for the bulky stuff you don't use every day. And then of course we're going to have some additional overhead cabinetry for everything you need to bring out with you. Just above me, we do have our central air conditioning unit, 13,500 BTUs. I know some brands in this size might just have the little wall wrecker AC unit, about 8,000 BTUs. Seldomly do they actually keep up and keep you cool on a hot day. So nice to see the full-size unit up here. Lots of output, especially on a smaller floor plan. In the kitchen area, starting up on the top side, we'll have the microwave with our range hood here, and then the 2-burner Greystone cooktop with that glass cover. So you can flip that up out of the way or back down if you need a little bit extra counter space or prep space to work with. We'll have a single basin sink here with the faucet. A nice seamless countertop to go with that, and just a little bit of storage below the sink there as well. Over my right shoulder, we'll have our 6 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator. Always great to see, especially in a smaller floor plan. A lot of times you might see that fridge that's going to be below your countertop, really limiting the capacity. Probably going to have to bring a few extra coolers with you. Having that 6 cubic foot, you might get away from that with that added capacity. Now, just behind me in this entry door here, we'll have our washroom on the 17FQ, where on the off-camp side we have a large vanity, lots of counter space to work with here. Set your toothbrush, hairbrush, whatever you need. Some storage above, as well as below. So you can put your linens, toiletries, toilet paper, whatever you need. No shortage of space back here. We'll have our foot flush toilet, and then a nice size shower that you can walk in here as well. Of course, we're going to have that skylight to give you a little bit extra headspace if you're a taller person, so that is always nice to have. That's going to wrap up our tour of the 2022 Viking 17 FQ. My name's Travis from Arcan Trailer. Thank you guys for your time. We look forward to seeing you real soon.